Welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can replace UIDs for preload with path. So in Godot 4.5 there is a new concept of UIDs when you are using the preload function. So let me show you that. Typically you should not replace UID with paths, but in case if you feel like you are more comfortable with paths, then let me show you how. So suppose here I have just created one 2D scene. I'll just save it as random scene. Okay, so this is one of the scenes in my app. Then I created another scene. I'll again create a 2D scene. I'll just save it as node2d.tscn and I'll attach one script to it. Now suppose I want this random scene inside my this node2d script, right? So typically I would just drag and drop it over here and it would create. Okay, so it's not working. Let me just give me a second. Okay, so here you can see typically previously till Godot 4.4 we used to get path over here, but from Godot 4.5 we are getting this UID. So suppose you don't like this UID, so the advantage of UID is, suppose I create a separate folder, then I drag and drop this particular tscn file in that folder, then this UID will not break. But the problem with path is the path will break. So typically try to use UID as much as possible, but in case if you are not happy and this looks a little bit gibberish or is not easy to read, then what you can do is just go to Godot editor settings and here you just search for UID, go to text editor behavior and you can just uncheck this particular option, then close, and then I'll again drag and drop. And here you can see now it is giving me the enter ID. So here it is giving me error because I have two random scenes. So yeah, hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.